Hello everyone, welcome to our channel 1-2-Step. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to reset your TikTok password just in case you forget it. If you want to learn more on that, please do watch this video till the end. If you're new to our channel, subscribe to 1-2-Step for more of these how-to video tutorials that we're going to do. So now let's get started with the video. So first you'll open your TikTok app and then you'll click on the login option in red at the bottom here. You'll click on that and you can use any of these methods to log in. So I'm going to use my phone, email, or username. So I'll use my username, and you have the forgot password option over here. So you'll click on the forgot password option, and then you will choose one of these ways to get access back into your account, your phone number or email. I'm going to choose phone number, and then they have you will enter your phone number that's associated with the account. So you'll enter your phone number associated with your account and then click on send code. So once you do that, a 6-digit code will be sent to your phone. You will enter the 6-digit code over here and then you'll be able to reset your password. So after you receive your 6-digit code, so mine's already sent to me. So let me enter that here. And now you will create a new password. So let me do that. So once you created a new strong password, you will enter that and you'll click on login. And with that, you'll be logged into your account. And now you have your new password too. So that's it, guys. I hope through this video you have now learned how to reset your forgotten TikTok password. Thank you so much for watching this video. Leave a like on this video if you liked it. So please subscribe to our channel and have a good day. Bye.